topic I chose to investigate was the facial tumours that have dramatically decreased the population of the Tasmanian devil. Without intervention, this tumour will eventually cause the extinction of this unique creature. Firstly, a bit of background. The disease was first discovered in 1996 accidentally by Christo Bars, an international wildlife photographer, who took a photo of an infected devil. According to McCallum and Jones in 2006, sporadic reports continued during the next 5 years after the initial photo, and by 2005, the tumours were occurring on more than half of the species. Devil facial tumour disease is considered a new disease as no affected animals were detected in studies completed during 1964 to 1995. This disease is single-handedly causing the demise of the world's largest carnivorous marsupial, and according to Murchison in 2011, the species could go extinct in the wild within 20 to 30 years. The interesting aspect of this problem is that we as humans are trying to save the devil and have nothing to do with the causation. We have not destroyed the environment and we are not hunting them to oblivion. The other fact that is interesting is that the tumours are a rare form of contagious cancer. The Tasmanian devils are nocturnal scavengers that clean the environment naturally and will travel large distances to find food, eating carcasses of almost anything. While they can be aggressive to each other, especially when food is involved, most of their ferocious behaviour is an act to avoid the fighting. This contagious cancer is restricted to the face or inside of the mouth and eventually ulcerate and become enormous, as described by Elizabeth Murchison in 2011 TED Talk. The natural behaviour of the devil becoming aggressive around food is why the cancer appears to be found only on the face. The key findings in my research is that there are many groups gaining knowledge and fighting this disease. Researchers are working on how the disease is transmitted in the population and understanding the disease itself. As previously mentioned, this is a contagious cancer, and there is only one other, a venereal disease in dogs, but this one is not fatal. Some understanding of this disease has helped with the devil tumours. Research conducted by Pearson Swift suggests that the DNA of the tumours are all identical and thus come from a single source. They have looked at the molecular composition of the disease and are starting to understand how the disease is transmitted from or transferred from devil to devil. They are hoping that by understanding the mechanisms involved, that a vaccine may be able to be created to save future devils. The other significant aspect of saving the devil is the establishment of insurance populations on the mainland and in Tasmania itself. These populations are disease-free and another way to protect the devil from extinction. According to Lees and Andrews, as of February 2012, the insurance population for Tasmanian devils was in good shape, both genetically and demographically. It comprised of 516 individuals. The overall program aims to hold up to 6,500 animals over 50 years. It is hoped that one day this disease-free population will re-establish the devil in the wild. Some may ask, why should we not let nature take its course? One reason is the domino effect. It has been seen in areas where the devil is now missing that feral cat numbers have increased. As a result, the numbers of native wildlife have declined and the cases of toxoplasmosis has increased. Toxoplasmosis can harm livestock, native animals and humans. Everyone can help save the devil by donating to causes run by Tasmanian organisations such as Save the Tasmanian Devil, which is affiliated with the state government. Zoos also have funds that go towards saving endangered animals. As a result of my research, I've come to the conclusion that the devil is worth saving due to being unique, an integral part of the ecosystem, just because we have the ability to save something rather than destroy it. Thank you for listening.